Hello, good morning, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. You're watching PPD channel and I'm with you, Sanjay Rampal. Let us start today's session. Stay tuned for more solid news. Keep watching your own channel, PPD News. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe. SDM said that four problems related to Dadri subdivision and Nagar Parishad. Citizens can come to district level Samadhan camp and four problems related to Padda subdivision. Citizens can come to the Samadhan camp organized in SDM office for solution of their problems. During this, all the department heads will also be present in the Samadhan camp. SDM Naveen Kumar said that for the convenience of the people of the district, their complaints are being resolved through Samadhan camp on every working day. He said that Haryana government is working dedicatedly for public service and the district administration is fulfilling its responsibility with full seriousness so that last person of the society gets the benefit of the scheme. While giving instruction to the officers, he said that the complaints coming in related to their department should be resolved permanently. The officers should work vigilantly so that complaints do not remain pending in any form. During the Samadhan camp, while the complaints of the people were heard, the officers were also instructed to resolve the incoming complaints on priority basis. Haryana folk culture was in full swing at Gita Mahotsav and lighted speakers explained the essence of Gita. Hundreds of listeners enjoy dances, bhajans, ragini, full of folk culture and words full of wisdom of enlightened speakers in the International Gita Mahotsav being celebrated at the local Rose Garden by the Department of Information, Public Relations and Language and the District Administration. Municipal Council Chairman Bakshiram Saini, Additional Deputy Commissioner Biswajit Chaudhary, SDM Naveen Kumar and CTM Ashish Sangwan were present as guests at the function. He observed the great exhibition set up that the new. After the Gita Aarti, the guest visited the stall of Information, Public Relations and Language Department, Education Department, Rawaldi ITI, Swachh Bharat Mission, Renewable Energy Department, Urban Livelihood Mission, Information and Science Department, District Lead Bank Manager, etc. Today on the stage, Surendra Sharma Group and teams from various educational institutions present a beautiful dance and forced the audience to dance. In today's seminar, Bhaskar Giri Maharaj said that the real essence of Gita is related to the self-introspection of human life. Man himself is caught in the dilemma between good and evil. Lord Krishna has explained in simplicity that God can be found in life only by living in the world with a selfless attitude and doing your dogs. Speaker Mrs. Pankaj Goyal said that he distance between the soul and God can be erased by the practice of Raj Yoga. Krishna has also given the knowledge of Raj Yoga, the Arjuna in the Gita. Acharya Pramod said that in his statement that to youth must read the Gita and should go on the path of Kram Yoga by meditating on it. Cultural programs will be held on the last day. Slokacharan and Sobha Yatra will be organized on the con- conclusion of the district level Gita Mahotsav. Culture programs will be held on the stage for in consecutive hours on Wednesday. During this spectacular performance of Malkamba will be done by the Brahmachari children of Hindi Sanskrit Gurukul Mahavidyalaya. People will be able to see amazing feats in Malkamb, Vaishya Senior Secondary School, APS School, and children of Government Model Sanskrit School will also give presentation. Shiv Brat and Shiv Stuti will be presented by Deepak Art Group, in which Shiv Ganesha will be seen in person during the cultural evening and prize distribution ceremony. Karan Bhar Best on Light and Sound Show will be performed by Kalakara of Parinde Group, and a drama based on old age home will also be presented. Four days format for National Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat will be organized on Saturday, 14th December. Secretary of District Legal Services Authority Sanjeev Kazla said that Lok Adalat will be organized on Saturday, 14th December. Secretary of District Legal Services Authority Sanjeev Kazla said that 4 benches have been formed for the National Lok Adalat to be organized by the authority on 14 December. Lok Adalat will be organized in the district called premise. He informed that for the National Lok Adalat to be organized under the guidance of district and Sessions Judge Chairman of District Legal Services Authority Naresh Kumar, additional district and Session Judge Jasbir Singh Kudu has been appointed as the presiding officer in the batch. CGM Nidhi Solanki in the second batch, JMIC Mayank Gupta in third batch, and JMIC Lakshya Garg in the fourth batch. Giving information, STM Naveen Kumar said that the newly appointed Patwaris are to be trained in Patwari Training School for a period of 1 year by the government, for which Patwari Training School will be opened at the district level. The SDM said that retired district revenue officer, Tehsildar, Naib Tehsildar and Kanungu will be appointed for the training the newly appointed Patwaris in these schools. For these experts of mathematics and Urdu are also to be appointed for Patwari training. Therefore, interested person should will the prescribed performa in the SDM office and submit it the SDM office. For more information, contact the SDM office located on the first floor of Sainik Rest House. So friend, this was our important news, special news for today. We will meet again tomorrow with the new news. Till then, take care of yourself. You will be safe now. Allow me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Take care.